Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also if you are yet to follow on our Telegram channel, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. There, we would be putting one or two updates that would be very much likely be useful for you. So, in order for you to stay updated, you need to follow our Telegram channel so you will be updated on what next will happen. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on AUD USD. So let's start with the full trend on this daily time frame. You clearly can see that we are on a downtrend move. You can see it lower lows and lower highs is what market has been doing. It has been dropping right now. If you take a look at this, right, once we have we had this drop here, right, we had this move, then there is another drop, we had this move. I was predicting this move upward. My speculation was to for it to get to a level of 0.68, but right now, since market did not give us that movement to a level of 0.68 and it is dropping right now, my speculation is that it has now changed. We will now be expecting a drop to a level of 0.65. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm expecting such a move. So we can take a look at this. Within this level, you see that market is ranging within this level. You can take a look at this to be the resistance. This will be seen as a support, resistance, support, right? When markets came here again, we had it came to our resistance level, then it dropped to our support. Then what did it do next? It came to this resistance, and guess what? It broke out. So we can now target this as a false breakout. So what is market now doing? Market has now dropped within our range. So it eventually broke down our previous resistance. We're supposed to be support, it broke below it, meaning we are now within this range. So what do we expect market to do next? Of course, come back to this our support level. This is one of the reasons why I'm saying AUD USD should give us a drop to a level of 0.65. So once it gets to a level of 0.65, we are much likely to see it come to this our resistance level again. But for now, we will be expecting a sell for this week. Stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.